Welcome back, guys. And in suppose you are just trying to fit any wallpaper on your mobile, and you are experiencing that wallpaper is not fitting. How? Then in that case, I am going to tell you what you need to do so that your picture may fit in your screen. So just suppose I am going to the gallery, and suppose this download this one. Suppose this is the it is the original one. Screenshots. Suppose this, if I am trying to set it as a wallpaper, okay, on the home screen, it will try and see the whole picture is not fitting here. If I will set it on home screen, okay, see what will happen. See, the photo was that, and but it is coming only, the whole picture is not fitting on this mobile screen. If you want to do that, what you need to do, I'm going to tell you in this video. Go to the Play Store and download Wallpaper Setter. Okay, I have already downloaded it. So open will come here. It will ask for some permissions in your mobile. When you will try to open first time, just go here, and if you want to go to the image, and here select that image. Okay, that is in screenshots. I will select it. See here, next is there. See, if you right now put, this will come. Now next, now this will like that. If you save and select as wallpaper, that will come. Now press next, this will come. See, this photo is covering the whole screen, so download it, save it. Okay, no, I will go just back. Add will come, and then just cross that. Now you will go, just go to the gallery, and here you will find one, this wallpaper album, and here just select it. Go here, set as a wallpaper, and now home screen, set on home screen. Okay, now you will see that this whole picture has exactly fitted on my phone's home screen. So this is all why I wanted to tell you how to convert your wallpapers to fit on your home screen or lock screen in Samsung mobiles. It can be also done in other mobiles also, because that application has to be downloaded from Play Store, and you have to go by the procedure I have told you in this video. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.